AFEN -18 degrees centigrade automatic ice cream cold yogurt combo vending machine. Compatible with track and spring cargo lanes. 100-270 PCS, according to size of goods. Can sell ice cream, popsicles, seafood, boxed, canned frozen food, etc. Imported commercial compressor, new eco-friendly refrigerant complex with new EU and USA standards. 3 layers thick vacuum glass with defogging function. 22-inch touch screen front, with idle advertisement display, immersive shopping experience. Support multiple payment methods. Cash payment, coin payment, credit payment and QR code payment. Smart elevator system for fragile products dispensing. The light is on and the door is automatically locked and the goods are picked up. Intelligent insulation fetching port. Do you like this kind vending machine? Welcome to inquiry.